fear or replacing it. Let's get to business on what that means. Replacing and recognizing fear means that when you notice fear, you want to get that feeling out of you, but you just can't. If you're scared of monsters, then put a happy vision of, I don't know, your dog running around and kissing you. Once you have that happy vision in your head, you think about it for a few minutes. Say, hey, fear, in mind. Take this vision out of my brain and put this new one in. And once you have it in, you don't feel the fear anymore. That's called replacing.